Hi there my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen this face. A very long time, like this whole year. But I am back and I'm excited to start creating some more YouTube videos for you guys. Before we get started, I just want to disclaim that this video is sponsored by Playgirl Beauty, so please do give it all the love that you can. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So Playgirl have sent over this huge box full of goodies for me, so I thought let's unbox it together and then we can play around with a couple of the goodies that are inside the box. Let's open her up. Oh my goodness, she is jam-packed. Hopefully nothing falls out. Can you see this? Can you see everything? So first up and most important, they have sent me a whole bunch of the Playgirl Beauty eyeshadow palette. Whew. How am I going to create a look? Which one am I going to choose? Oh my goodness. They have sent the Glam After Dark Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, which is super smoky, super beautiful. Loving the pressed glitters in here as well. They have sent through the All Eyes on Me Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. Lots and lots of color options. Oh, I'm loving that like pastel teal and lilac over there. Beautiful. They have also sent over the Sultry Sunset Dusk Eyeshadow Palette. Really beautiful, warm summer tones in there. They have sent the Naughty Neons Eyeshadow Palette. Super fun, beautiful, bright colors. And then I just dropped all the palettes. Of course, I would drop the palette. And now I'll get some bad luck by breaking a mirror. And lastly, they have sent the Hypnotize. Hypnotize, Hannah. Hypnotize. 5-color eyeshadow palette, which has some beautiful like greens, which I think will be really nice now for winter. So those are all the eyeshadow palettes that they've sent through in the box, but they've also sent me a little selfie ring light, which attaches to the top of your phone. Super cute. They've also sent me the reusable makeup removing cloth, which is great. I use this on myself, I use this in my kit. These are great just for limiting your use of wet wipes and cotton pads and that sort of thing. And then they have also sent me, let's hope I don't make this mirror too, a little desk mirror. Wait, let me put her together. Yeah, there we go. They've also sent me a little desk mirror. She's a little bit dirty right now. I'll clean her, but it says Playgirl on it. Yay! Super cute. And then they have also sent me this very cute little vanity bag, which is nice for like traveling, filled with the most beautiful little pink brushes. Gorgeous. I love this. I think we're going to create a look, but now what am I going to create, because I've got so many different options available for me. Okay, so as much as I'm wanting to play with some of the colorful palettes, when I think Playgirl, I think very like sultry, sexy, so I'm thinking maybe I want to do something like quite dramatic, and yeah, very sexy. So I'm thinking that I'm wanting to dip into this Glam After Dark palette because she's got some beautiful smoky, sultry colors, but there isn't a black in here. There's only like a very dark shimmery grey over there. So I'm thinking I must dip into this one too, the All Eyes on Me palette, because it does look like there is a black in here. So my complexion is done. I've done my foundation, bronzer, blush, all of that, and my brows. If you guys want to know what products I use, I will link them down below in the description box. And I think let's get started. Okay, cool. I've just put my hair back quickly, moved a little bit more forward so we can see what exactly I'm doing. And now first off, I'm just going to prime my eyes. So I'm just using a little bit of the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And I'm just going to prime all over my lids, all the way to the inner corner, right up to the top of the brow. And then also don't forget to take a little bit underneath as well, so that we can ensure your eyeshadow stays the whole day, all night, whatever. Okay, now that the eyeshadow primer is down, I'm actually just going to dip into that peachy shade in the All Eyes on Me palette, and I'm just going to set that eyeshadow primer, because it is still a little bit tacky. I do find that the paint pots don't always dry down completely, and I find that sometimes if you just go straight in with your color, it can look a little bit patchy and it doesn't always blend as well. So I like to just go over with powder because that just ensures that everything is going to be seamless. So I'm thinking of doing quite like a 60s dramatic kind of cat eye graphic liner type vibe, but we're using the shadows. So first of all, I'm going to take a detailed pencil brush and I'm just going to dip that into the black. I'm going to trace out the line that I am wanting to achieve. So I'm going to take it from my corner and almost draw a cat eye. Just to above my crease. And then I'm wanting to take that across just above my crease. Okay, off the bat I'm already super impressed. Usually brands do struggle with black eyeshadow. It's generally super patchy, super chalky, but this has gone on beautifully. It's not patchy at all, it's blending beautifully, and it's actually quite dark. I'm very impressed. I actually think I'm just going to be working out of the All Eyes on Me palette because it still has like the greys that I'm wanting to play with. So now I'm actually going to dip into the grey that's located next to the black, and I'm just going to place that slightly above the black line going up towards my brow. I'm just wanting to smoke it out a little bit and diffuse the black edge, but not too much because I still do want to keep it quite defined. Next up, I'm actually going to use the brush that's in the palette. There's a little flat pack brush. Dip it into that silver and pack that all over the lid in the open area. Okay, so before I finish off the top lid, I want to go into the lower lash line. So I'm just taking a very small angled brush and dipping into that black. And I'm going to place that along the length of my lower lash line. And I'm going to leave a bit of a space here on my inner corner. Draw along the length here. I want to leave a gap between the top wing and then just wing out the bottom a little bit because I'm wanting to place white in between there. That's really going to make my eye pop, and it also gives you that signature like twiggy beautiful big eye, which I think is just very Playgirl. Isn't she looking lovely? Okay, again just dipping into that darker grey shade, and I'm just going to lightly diffuse just right under my lid. I'm not taking it into the inner corner or too much on the little wing, just mainly diffusing it over here. Alright, and now for the signature white in the waterline. So I'm just going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. So this one is quite chunky, so I'm just going to do my actual waterline with it, and then I'm going to take another angled brush and just fill in the detail on the inner and outer corners. Okay, we are almost done. Lastly, I just want to take that little Playgirl flat pack brush again, and I just want to dip into a little bit of that glitter. I think I'm actually going to rather use my finger because I'm going to get a little bit more payoff. And I'm just going to pat a little bit over the lid just to add a little bit of sparkle. Okay, lastly, I just want to add a little bit of liquid liner, so I'm just going to do that along my top lash line and just accentuate the top wing a little bit. I'm going to quickly pop on some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be right back. And there we are, completed a super sexy, sultry, 60s inspired smoky eye, which I think really embodies the Playgirl persona. I just paired it with a clear glossy lip because I think that these eyes definitely do need their time to shine. So my first impressions of the products is that I'm super impressed with the quality. These palettes are super affordable as well, and I feel like you can really tell the quality of an eyeshadow palette by the consistency of the matte black shadow within it. I just want to say a massive thank you to Playgirl Beauty for gifting me with all of these incredible products, and I really enjoyed creating this look with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!